I love Google and their Google AI team because this is absolutely crazy. Today I will show you two examples of how to get the most out of Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. So if you use AI for work, business, or simply because you enjoy these AI tools, this video is exactly for you. Because by the end of this video, you will discover two new ways to use AI that you probably didn't know before. This is Tomáš Černovský from Tomáš AI channel. Our marketing agency has generated over $50 million in revenue for clients over the past 11 years, and AI now helps us achieve even better results. My challenge for you is really simple. Watch these videos for 120 days, take notes and test everything. By the end of 2025, you will use AI better than 99% of people and businesses, and that's my mission, guys. So let's dive into it. So the first tool that we will be discovering today is Google Gemini. And I understand that you already most likely use Google Gemini. There's the chat window. Here you have the model that you would like to use, 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Pro. Here you can put the prompt. Here you can toggle the tools that you are using. You can also click on this deep research, create video, learn, build, write, create image, whatever. But the thing that I will be showing you today is something that most of the people don't know how it actually works. Because if you say word a presentation or a deck in AI era, in AI world, most people will basically imagine, for example, Gamma app. But Gamma app has some things that are not quite good in my opinion. Because if you are putting it, if you are basically creating, or if you would like to create a presentation from this Gemini app, it will be stunning. It will be stunningly good. So you basically click here on tools, you click on Canvas, you put there your prompt. For example, the prompt should be, not that. The prompt should be like, hey, create a presentation from this PDF, and you will enclose, basically upload your file. How it will look like? There's the file, there's the prompt, like super awesome prompt, right? Create a presentation for me from this file, really crazy prompt. And there you go. It will basically, it was thinking and, creating for maybe a couple of minutes, like 2, 3, 5 minutes. And there you go. The PDF was around introducing Manus 1.5, which is the AI agent. And basically there's the prompt, and here is the final presentation. So the thought is that you put there a PDF with some data or some, whatever, text, whatever, and it will create on one prompt the whole presentation for you. And these are not the all pointers that I have here, because if you go through it, it's actually great because it do like these pictograms, the graphs, some infographics with graphs too, some good wording, some pointers. Try Manus 1.5 now. There you go, questions, and here you have the source from where they basically pull out the images. In this case, only one image. But the thing is that you can basically click with the night mode or dark mode and the light mode. But the most important stuff is that you will click on export to slides. And since we are right now in Google Gemini, and it is obviously connected with Google Drive and Google all the other stuff, so you can basically enclose or the PDF file from your Google Drive here. You can basically let it create a presentation, a deck. That's what we have here right now, and then the deck will be here, and you will basically click export slides, and you will open slides, and there you have it. So you basically created presentation in like 5 minutes or maybe 3 minutes or 50 seconds, I don't know. And it is created from the PDF file, and you actually have it here in the Google Slides, and you can basically edit the text, you can move the text, you can edit those graphs, you can move it, etc., etc. Or same with other stuff, the headlines, subheadlines, text, add copies, everything. So you can edit things here, you can add stuff in the presentation, etc., etc. So I believe that this is actually a crucial one because, for example, if you imagine that you are basically in your career, in your corporate job, or in your in entrepreneurship or company journey, if you are building something, you basically have maybe some weekly report or maybe monthly report, or you are basically discussing something and you need a presentation for it every single week, etc., etc., etc. And in that case, in that scenario, you might use this tool because there's a chance that you are already using, for example, Google Drive, right, or the Gmail or other Google services. So since it's connected, it will be super easy to basically create this type of presentation, etc., etc. Then before we dive into the second tip here, guys, I would really appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button to this channel with the bell icon and also click on the like button, because I'm literally building one of the biggest, and I mean it, one of the biggest AI channels on YouTube out there. I know it's like a gutsy thing to, it's a really bold statement, but I'm really doing that. But I would definitely need your help. I would need you to click on the like icon, on the like button, or again on the subscribe button, as well as on the bell icon, because it will literally boost my channel and it will help me to get in front of many other people and get them to watch these videos. And from that, we will start growing this channel together, because I need you on board and helping me with this, since it's a really a big task, and without help I might not pull it off. So definitely, guys, thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. You are in my heart, or all of you guys that are here in the beginning, and thank you for that. And back to the video. So the second tool that we will be discovering today is Google AI Studio. But again, I don't think that there's basically anybody that actually don't know or don't understand Google AI Studio. I think, guys, that you actually use Google AI Studio on a regular basis, which is good, and I hope you do it actually. But if you click on a chat and if you click on images here under the headline, here you have, for example, Nano Banana, state-of-the-art image generation and editing model. Imagin 4, latest image generation model with significantly better text rendering and better overall image quality. And there you have Imagin 4 Ultra, our latest image generation model with significantly better text rendering and better overall image quality. Once you click on it, on the Imagin 4 Ultra, here you have some inspirations. Here you have some notification, and on the right hand side you can basically pick a number of results per the prompt. You can basically pick the aspect ratio. You can basically pick the output resolution, 1K or 2K. You can read more about this tool and other tools, models, LLMs, etc., etc. So a lot of this stuff. And there you have, the chat window where you basically put your prompt. And things get really great here, guys. It's gonna be really interesting, and that is because since Google and the Banana is really good one, but in some cases I don't think it's there yet, and obviously they are working on Google and the Banana number 2 version or 2.0, so it's gonna get much better, I guess, or I think so. Similarly to the Google Gemini, they are actually working on 3.0 Flash and Pro, I would say. And these models will be like, I think they will introduce them in this year, and it's gonna be like tough for Google, for ChatGPT and other tools, because I think it's gonna be, it's gonna be great. But anyway, back to the Google AI Studio. So the thing that you can actually use this Imagin 4 Ultra is for example, YouTube thumbnails, because YouTube thumbnails again consist of some photo or something else and and some headline. Without the text, without the headline, basically these YouTube thumbnails are not that good, are that there is not high CTR, the click-through rate if you don't use the ad copies or the headline, etc. So for example, I put there the prompt, create a YouTube thumbnail about Porsche 911 GT3, put text that says best circuit car, ? And this is the result after 17.5 seconds, which is pretty fast. There you have it. So you have, I would almost say it's a real photo, but it's not. It's AI generated, but almost it looks like a real photo. And here you have best circuit car ? Great, guys. I think that, these thumbnails, or this thumbnail, this particular one thumbnail, if you would have like a review for Porsche GT3 911, I bet you that you can basically use this thumbnail, maybe add some logo of your channel here, or maybe some different graphics under that, under the car, I don't know, and it will be ready. It will be like ready. Then you will obviously need to crop it for the particular dimensions for YouTube thumbnails, and there you go. You can basically run with it, I guess. So this is a really good one, and to demonstrate that it actually can and understand better the ad copies, the text, the headlines, and it can actually use it better, I created another one, which is create a YouTube thumbnail about Porsche Nissan GT-R. There's a mistake, sorry. Put text that says 0 to 60 in 3 seconds ? Okay, so it understood it like that. So we have Porsche, we have Nissan GT-R, and we have 0 to 60 in 3 seconds ? And there you have the red, underlining below that. And they are on the track day. There is a sunset over there. It looks really, really cool. Well, I don't think that there's that. Is there like is there a way to make it even better? Obviously, there is. If you have like pro graphic designer, they will basically create it. They will do it. They will do it much better, obviously. But from 15 or 17 second AI Imagin for Ultra in Google AI Studio for free, guys, for free. It seems to me like a crazy thing. Crazy. Imagine if it will be Imagin 5 Ultra or maybe Nano Banana number 2.0. I don't know, guys. There's even a human. You can see a human behind the steering wheel, which is obviously correct, right? That there is somebody sitting there. So anyway, guys, these are the two major news and major tips that I haven't seen people use it. Google Imagin for Ultra and also the presentation creation in Gemini. I haven't seen anybody use it and have these outputs and have these results in it. So that's why I tried to show you how it actually works, and I hope you appreciate it. If you do, please leave a comment on this video that you actually use Gemini. So put there the Gemini, and I will know that you use Gemini for presentation or deck generations. Or if you use Imagin for Ultra, just put there Imagin. So I would see that you actually use these tools. So thank you guys, thank you very much. This is all from today's video. I would really appreciate if you can like this video, if you can subscribe to this channel, and if you can hit the bell icon. It would mean the world to me. And building, I'm really inviting you on board to help me build this channel. You will profit greatly from this growing of this channel. There will be much more videos, more quality videos, and maybe some other things that it will be a surprise. So anyway, don't forget to click on this one. It's a really great video, so go check it out, and I will see you guys tomorrow with the next one. Cheers.